Hello, Chris Olix here from Klein Cutlery, Senior Product Engineer. I'm here today to talk to you about our Model 713O, a carpet repair tool. That's what you see right here. This tool here is made unique by our company in the fact that we've enlarged the two rings and made it ambidextrous. There is a carpet repair tool out there with two smaller rings, but we made this longer so that you can use it like ambidextrous, a left or right-handed person can use it to make carpet repairs. And then the carpet repair type stuff that I'm talking about is like digging out gum and other stuff that might be need to be repaired on a carpet. The tool itself has an offset handle, which keeps your hand away from your work and puts your hand in a correct ergonomic posture so you don't get fatigued. The screw that you see here is reversed so that it has a round head laying against your repair nap versus the screw head, so it doesn't snag on loops. It's the screw pivot is spring loaded so that it maintains blade to blade pressure as the edges wear, so the tool can perform for much longer. And it is chrome over nickel plated, so there's has corrosion resistance and protection. And the handles are plastisol coated for comfort. The tool is made in our Bolivar, New York facility, so it's made in the United States. And the tool is available from the top carpet tool distributors in the United States. Thank you.